Вон сюда.
Your head. You guys got him coming off the stairs.
Reach in there, Chris. Ребят, заберите сюда. Так, в сторону.
Maybe use my shoulder. Or come in.
Құрметті экипаж мүшелері, Караганда жеріне қош келдіңіз.
Crew supporters and everyone else here is glad to greet you on the soil of Kazakhstan. Kazakhstan is called the grand entrance to the planet. And already for decades we have great astronauts and cosmonauts here. We are glad to see you as your friends, as your family. I would like to congratulate you one more time with a successful landing on behalf of the people of Karaganda and the city and the country Kazakhstan. On behalf of our group and our country, I would like to give you some souvenirs. They are small and humble, but I hope that you enjoy them. Even those of you who are not receiving them for the first time, I hope that everyone will not be receiving them once here. Happy landing and glad to have you here. Thank you. I would like to give the next word to the crew commander. Hello. I'm Sergey. Dear people of Kazakhstan, of Karaganda, I would like to thank you for the warm welcome. I am glad to be here, glad to see everyone. And you were right when you said that the land of Kazakhstan plays a key role in space exploration. Incidentally, today, 56 years ago, there was a commission that decided that the city of Kazakhstan would welcome astronauts and cosmonauts here. We also hope that our collaboration will continue for many years. Space exploration, we hope, will continue to be tied with this land, this wonderful, welcoming land. Thank you to everyone, and see you next time. So again, thank you. I would like to congratulate you all also with your professional day, your holiday, Cosmonauts Day. We are sure that you're tired and you need a break, and as your friends, as your family, we want to congratulate you, wish you well, and we hope to create future cosmonauts with equal positive feelings and to continue this tradition.
Yeah,
have performed all of our tasks. Congratulations with a successful mission. Hey buddy, good to see you. So glad to see you guys.
Shane Kimbrough back after 173 days in space. Start us off. What was that landing like? What's that ride down in the Soyuz feel like?
It was crazier than I even anticipated. It was really a wild ride, but it works and it was a great system, and it got us down safely.
And so you had done a landing in a shuttle before. How did the two compare?
Well, shuttle was landing on the runway. It's nice and smooth. Coming through the atmosphere was similar, but after that, the shuttle landing was much smoother. This one you hit pretty hard, and we actually hit twice, so we got a bonus one there, and then we rolled a little bit just for added effect.
I saw that you guys. It looked like you dug up a little chunk of Kazakhstan with your landing. At least the weather was nice, though. That had to feel good.
The weather was absolutely beautiful. Once I got outside and smelled that fresh air, it was just amazing.
So one of the highlights, you did 4 spacewalks in this mission. I know any astronaut always gets excited when they get to do one. You did 4. What was it like doing all of those? And I mean, there was some really important work that you were taking part in too.
Yeah, I was very honored to be able to do this for our mission. I was lucky enough to get some spacewalks, like you mentioned. We did do a lot of great work out there with replacing the batteries on the starboard side of the space station. So that was awesome when you're helping out something that's a big orbiting laboratory like that, knowing you're kind of leaving it in a better condition than you found it. And we also got the station ready for another docking port for a commercial crew here in a few years, so that was exciting to be a part of that as well.
And so your previous mission, I mean, it was comparatively short. It was a quick jaunt on the shuttle. Compare, contrast a little bit between the two with a short trip in space or these really long duration missions in space, and kind of what the work that we're doing on board station now that you didn't necessarily do when you did the shuttle flight.
Yeah, that's a great point, because when you're only up there a couple of weeks, you don't really have time to do a lot of these big experiments and investigations. We were on this mission, our crew was lucky enough to do about 250 to 300 investigations, so it's pretty cool to be part of that with scientists and engineers from all over the world that are producing these experiments, and we're the ones that get to execute them and then get to see the benefit down the road once they publish their research.
Did anyone stand out in your mind as being particularly interesting, fun to work on? Anything? I mean, you had a bunch of stuff coming up on Dragon and Cygnus, our commercial craft. Anything really stand out that you're going to remember?
I think the thing I'll remember is planting the lettuce, and that was always fun for us. We got to do that a few times in our mission. I did it before Peggy and Tomas showed up, and produced some pretty nice lettuce about 4 weeks later, and then Peggy got to do it as well.
Very cool. All right, well, NASA's Shane Kimbrough back after almost 6 months in space. Welcome home, Shane, and
thanks.
Let's get you back to Houston.
That sounds like a great plan. Thanks.
I'm so proud of you.
Welcome home. Great to have you back.
Welcome, man. Great to see you. Thanks. Great.
Shane, welcome back, buddy. Glad to see you.
Good to see you.
Hey, how are you? What's good? Good to see you. Yeah, sure.
I'm going to miss the views of planet Earth from space.